Today we're going to be installing an Ag Diesel Solutions module on a 2022 Ram 2500 HD. We have our Truck Edition module. It's a 60,261 part, and we'll do the install and I'll show you guys everything we got. So in the box you receive, you'll have the module, of course, and there'll be a harness in there that has the bypass plug automatically installed, so you can go ahead and take that off. And it'll come with your 4-position switch and some zip ties for the install.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the harness out of the box, and we're going to locate the fuel pressure sensor and the map sensor. The fuel pressure sensor is located here along the valve cover on the driver's side, right behind this foam block. You'll see it down there, and you got to pull up on this little yellow tab here and squeeze that and pull that up. It's vertical up, and once you get that undone, it'll be like that. The map sensor is on the intake air horn. It'll be on the back side on the driver's side here, and you have to squeeze the clip and unpull the connector. So once we get those uninstalled like this, we'll grab our fuel pressure connectors and we'll take our male connector and plug it into the female connector here. We're going to squeeze that together until we hear it snap. And then we're going to take this other one and we're going to put it down in the same orientation that the stock one came out of. And we'll reach down and we'll get that installed. So after we have the fuel pressure one there, I leave a little slack and we'll do the map sensor. So you unplug the map sensor. Again, you squeeze that tab on the back here, and then you pull it out. And then we'll take our one on our module, the female plug there, and we'll plug it back into the map sensor. And you want to make sure that snaps when you're done. And then we plug the factory connector back into our other connector and make sure that snaps, and you're good to go. So after we get those two installed, we want to route the harness up here against the firewall best we can. We'll bring the harness over, and then you plug it into your module, make sure it snaps good, and then we can zip tie that up and we're done with the install.